inspiration and the empowered youth who carry the heart and soul of Barangay Anunas wherever they go. With this grace, wit, and passion as our most dazzling candidates vie for the crown that symbolizes the strength of our people. Welcome to the Ginoo at Mutya Ning Anunas 2025 Grand Coronation Night! Please all rise for the doxology to be performed by Lionel Soriano, to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Palakad tamo po. You may now take your seats. unstoppable passion. Together with Dance Varsity Group and the last year's winners, here are the official candidates vying for the titles of the Ginoo at Mutya Ning Anunas 2025! one.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, Gustavo. 17. Ginoo, number 1!
Para pabengke ang hangat barangay Anunas, Yaku Uy kay Silid Paras, Mutya, number
Ay, pabengi kaya kayo man! Ako nga pala yung Jesse Castro, 15, Ginoo, number 2!
Mayat Abengi Anunas! This is Angel Nicole Mudong Pampanga, 21, your Mutya, number 2!
Good evening, everyone. Hello, Mayan, Mutya, Ning. No, number 3.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Eugene Gaspar, 18, your Mutya, number 3!
Magandang gabi, barangay Anunas. I am Ryan Chavez Rivera, 16, Ginoo, number 4.
Hello, everyone. I am here selling down the Leon, 20, candidate number 4.
Good evening, Barangay Anunas. I'm Christian Maravilla, 20, Ginoo, number 5.
Para pabengin mo kaya ngayon, happy Fiesta Barangay Anunas. Yaku po yung Marakay Almarina, 20, your Mutya, number 5.
Good evening, everyone! EJ Aranilla, 19, Ginoong number 6.
Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. This is Cesarine J.D. Manalo, 17, your Mutya, number 6!
Hayop at mag-rush ang Bengi Pilipinas. Yaku Amber Paul Bibinada, 68, Ginoo, number 7.
Good evening po, Barangay Anunas. I am Ari Ricas Pantiro, 17, Mutya, number 7.
Maligayang kapiestahan barangay Anunas! Yaku po yung John Miss Cabral!
20, your Ginoo, number 9.
Good evening, everyone. I am Atisha Nicole Manlabas Miranda, 16, your Mutya, number 9.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kio Madrid del Rosario, 15, Ginoo, number 10.
Good evening, everyone. This is
Stephanie Byers, 18, Mutya, number 10.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, the Mother